Good morning, student. Today we study about our first chapter. और जो बेटा फर्स्ट चैप्टर है वो है चैप्टर फर्स्ट. The name of first chapter is electric field, electric charge and field. This is the first chapter of our new NCERT syllabus. The first topic of our new chapter is static electricity. Static electricity. But electricity are of two types. First is static and second is current. At first we study static electricity. What is static electricity? We study physics. Then the static electricity is a branch of physics. Static electricity is a branch of physics. Is a branch of physics. In which we study static electric charge. We study static electric charge. The branch of physics in which we study static electric charge is called static electricity and their interactions. So the branch of physics in which we study static electric charge and their interactions, then it is called static electricity. Next बेटा क्या अपनी करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में क्या होगा? A branch of physics in which we study about electric charge which is not static, यानी emotional electric charge. Motional electric charge. Then it is called current electricity. So the branch of physics in which we study about non-static electric charge, then it is called current electricity. And the branch of physics in which we study about static electric charge and their interactions, then it is called static electricity. The next topic of this chapter is electric charge. Electric charge. But in atom we have three particles which are protons in atom. Three particles which are proton, neutron and electron. These three particles made a atom. The definition of electric charge is dependent on proton and electron. ठीक है? तो electric charge is a property of proton and electron. Is a property of proton and electron. electric charge is a property of proton and electron in which they feel between two particles gravitational force is applied. Any two particles, between any two particles the gravitational force is applied. So between proton and electron gravitational force is also applied. Then क्या होगा? Electric charge is a property of proton and electron in which they feel not only gravitational force, it is compulsory. It is always applied between two particles. So they feel not only gravitational force but also electric force. But also electric force. Then it is called electric charge. Then बेटा क्या हुई इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज की अपनी डेफिनेशन? तो ये डेफिनेशन हो गई, it is a property of proton and electron in which they feel not only gravitational force but also electric force. बेटा एक डेफिनेशन और होती है अपनी इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज की, वो डेफिनेशन देखो क्या होगी? The other definition of electric charges, एक वर्ड होता है फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. फिजिकल क्वांटिटी ये बेटा हमने पढ़ा था 11th क्लास थी अपने पास, उसके फर्स्ट चैप्टर के अंदर पढ़ा था फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. व्हाट इज फिजिकल क्वांटिटी? देन फिजिकल क्वांटिटी is a measurable quantity. All the quantities which are measurable is called physical quantity. Then electric charge की बात होती है definition की. Then electric charge is a physical quantity. Electric charge is a physical quantity in which बेटा एक फिजिकल क्वांटिटी होती है इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज, जिसमें होता क्या है? तो इन विच फर्स्ट अपने पास क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज जनरेटेड. So electric charge helps to generate electric field. With the help of electric charge, the electric field is generated. Next, interactions of electric field occur. Interactions of electric field occur. नेक्स्ट अपने पास क्या होता है? नेक्स्ट था मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज जनरेटेड. Always with the help of electric charge, two fields are generated. Two fields are generated, which are electric field and second is magnetic field. Both fields are generated with the help of electric charge, but there is a condition, and the condition is if the electric charge is static, then electric field is generated. If the electric charge is static, then electric field is generated, and the electric charge is motional. Electric charge is motional. Then electric and magnetic both fields are generated. This is the difference between electric and magnetic field. According to electric charge, क्या था बेटा difference? When static electric charge is applied, when static electric charge is applied, then always generate electric field. And when motional electric charge is applied, then always generate magnetic field and also electric field. हो गया बेटा? तो यहां पर देखो अगला अपना क्या था, 3 पॉइंट्स अपने हो गए. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट अपना क्या था, इंटरेक्शंस. ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड Then beta, the definition of electric charge is electric charge is a physical quantity which contain 4 points. Or the 4 points are electric field is generated with the help of electric charge. The intersections between electric field occur with the help of electric charge. Magnetic field is generated with the help of electric charge. And last क्या था, intersections of magnetic field occur with the help of electric charge. Then here we study 2 definitions of electric charge. First is electric charge is a property of proton and electron in which they feel not only gravitational force but also electric force. And the second definition is electric charge is a physical quantity in which the 4 points are contained, which are, first अपने पास क्या था, electric field is generated, second is interactions between electric fields occur, third क्या था अपने पास, magnetic field is generated, and fourth interactions between magnetic field occur. The next topic is types of electric charge. Types of electric charge. In 1750, a scientist, Benjamin Franklin, in 1750, a scientist Benjamin Franklin take experiment, and the experiment is he take two bodies which are glass rod, and second is silk. Glass rod and silk. When he rub glass rod with silk, then the charge occur on both bodies. Two bodies के अपने पास glass rod and silk. When the rub between glass rod and silk, then charge occur on both bodies, and the charge is in same magnitude. The charge is in same magnitude but opposite nature. Again, he take two bodies. First is cat skin, and second is ebonitro. When he rub cat skin with ebonite rod, then the charge occur on both bodies which are in same magnitude but opposite nature. तो चार्ज यहां पर भी क्या होगा बेटा, अकर हो. नेक्स्ट उसने क्या किया इसके बाद, देखो उसने टू बॉडीज अपने पास ली. कौन कौन सी थी टू बॉडीज? ग्लास रॉड एंड सिल्क. When he rub both bodies, then charge occur on both bodies which are in same magnitude but opposite nature. Again he take two bodies which are cat skin and ebonite rod. When he rub both bodies, then the charge occur on both bodies but it is in same in magnitude but opposite in nature. Next he take the glass rod. Glass rod which is charged. Let us, this is the glass rod which is charged. The glass rod always charged in positive charge. The glass rod is always charged in positive charge, and he take cat skin or other charged glass rod. The glass rod is charged positive charge, then the other glass rod is also positive charge. Okay. Next, when he put this glass rod with this glass rod, yeah, this cat skin with this glass rod, then repel perform between the glass rod. Then repel performs between the glass rod. Again he put a glass rod, charged glass rod, with respect to ebonite rod. This is also charged. Then the both rods are attract each other. Attract each other. Then यहाँ पे क्या होगा बेटा, देखो, when two same charges are put with each other, then repel performs between the bodies, and when two other charged bodies are put in together, then they attract each other. With the help of this, Benjamin Franklin tells that same charges repulse together and opposite charges attract together. Same charges repulse together and opposite charge attract together. It is the result of the experiment of Benjamin Franklin. With the help of this experiment, glass rod and first experiment में क्या था, glass rod and silk, and the second experiment have cat skin and ebonite rod. This is the first experiment and this is the second experiment. In first experiment, when he rubbed the glass rod with silk, then the glass rod charged with positive charge and silk is charged with negative charge. Again, when he rubbed cat skin with ebonite rod, then the cat skin is charged with positive charge and the ebonite rod is charged with negative charge. When he put a glass rod which is charged with the respect of another glass rod which is also charged, then the both glass rods are repulsed together. When he put a glass rod which is charged against a ebonite rod which is also charged, then the both bodies are attract each other here together. With the help of this experiment, Benjamin Franklin tells when the charges are same, then they repulse together, and when the charges are opposite, then they attract together. With the help of this experiment, Benjamin Franklin tells there are two types of electric charge. There are two types of electric charge, and the types of electric charge are this. First is positive charge. And second is negative charge. Both are described with the help of experiment which is taken by Benjamin Franklin, and with the help of the experiment Benjamin Franklin tells there are two types of electric charge which are positive charge and negative charge. If we have one positive charge and other is also positive charge, means both charges are same, then they repulse together. If we have a positive charge and other is negative charge, means both charges are different, opposite, then they attract together. This is the types of electric charge. The next topic of our this chapter is units of electric charge. Units of electric charge. The SI unit of electric charge is Coulomb. The SI unit of electric charge is Coulomb. If we study other units of electric charge, then in 11th we study methods of unit. Methods of unit, which are CGS method, second FPS method, and third MKS method. These three methods is also used to take a unit for a physical quantity. At present, the SI unit is applied on the unit of physical quantities. The SI unit of electric charge is Coulomb. If we study the CGS unit of electric charge, CGS unit of electric charge, then it is stat Coulomb. It is stat Coulomb. Stat Coulomb is the CGS unit of electric charge. MKS unit of electric charge is ampere into second. This is the MKS unit of electric charge, ampere into second. If we take dimension of electric charge, then the dimension is या द डायमेंशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज, फर्स्ट जो लेटर होगा हमेशा किसके लिए होगा, मास, एम फॉर मास। हियर दिस इज एम्पियर एंड दिस इज सेकंड मींस 10, देन m इक्वल टू कितना हो गया 0। द सेकंड लेटर इज l, l फॉर लेंथ, लेंथ मींस मीटर, यहां पे नहीं क्योंकि देन इट इज आल्सो 0। द थर्ड लेटर इज टाइम, टाइम फॉर सेकंड, सेकंड ईयर कितना आएगा 1, देन इट इज 1। एंड फोर्थ क्या आएगा एम्पियर के लिए 8 और कितना एम्पियर, दिस इज द डायमेंशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज। If we study other units of electric charge, then the other units of electric charge is this. But the other unit of electric charge are the smallest unit of electric charge is ES. This is the smallest unit of electric charge. The full form of ESU is electrostatic unit. Electrostatic unit, which is also called Franklin, which is also called Franklin, or Franklin is represented by Fr. Electrostatic unit or Franklin is the smallest unit of electric charge. 1 coulomb इक्वल टू 3 into 10 की पावर 9 ESU और FR। 1 कूलम इक्वल टू 3 into 10 की पावर 9 ESU और FR, and ESU is the smallest unit of electric charge. The biggest unit of electric charge of electric charge is Faraday. This is the biggest unit of electric charge, Faraday. 1 Faraday equal to 96500 coulomb. And Faraday is the biggest unit of electric charge, and the smallest unit of electric charge is ESU, electrostatic unit. If we represent SI unit of electric charge is coulomb, which is represented by C. CGS unit of electric charge is stat coulomb. MKS unit of electric charge is ampere second. The topic units of electric charge is complete. The next topic of our this chapter is method of charging. Methods of charging, or this topic is studied in our next class. Thank you.